do, and I'm cool and you losing. I just
let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. You know the vibes, you know the vibes, you know the vibes. You already know, man. We young and we what?
Young and we activated. Yeah. Where you from? Where you from? Yeah, we young.
Forex on Sunday.
What? Yeah, we young and we activated.
Y'all see that trader die on my back too? You feel me? That new merch. You already know the vibe. You already know the vibe.
10 lies, 20 lies, 30 lies, 50 lies, hands high, hands up right now. Keep it right, big vibe, big try, speak loud, knock them down.
Yo, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Hey man, it's your boy Ty. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Welcome to Forex on Sundays. Hey man, where it gets lit, you already know, man, where it gets lit. Man, you can play this in your whip and you can play this at home, chilling with your chick, smoking a blunt, watching a nice flick. You feel me? But nah, check it out. So today, actually what's dope is the market's actually live right now. You know, I came a little bit late to the studio. Shit, it was hella traffic in LA, but it is what it is. Nevertheless, we here is lit and we popping. You feel me? Let me know in the chat right now. Let me know in the chat right now where you from. You know, I always like to tap in, man. I always like to tap in, just see where people are from. I know you guys come from all around the world, so I think it's really, really dope. When we tap in and we just see, man. Are we global? Are we worldwide? Are we local? Where you guys from in the chat? Let me know. I know we just getting the shit cracking. Oh yeah, y'all need y'all Trader Die stickers if you don't have that. You know what I'm saying? Trader Die stickers, you don't have those, make sure you get them. And if you don't have your Trader Die jacket, make sure you go get one of that. People are looking for one of the best brokers, man. There you go. Check out Henko Trade and the best, man, trade game. Y'all know the vibes. Let's get it. Shit, let me see. My nigga Phenom outside. Yeah, I got my homies pulling up, man. You know, it's been a vibe. Usually we be it be lit in the studio. You know what I mean? So usually that's how I go. Like in studio, we have some of the homies and stuff. We pull up and we vibe. Maybe one day, you guys will get a chance to, you know, come and rock and come and vibe out with us because it's about to start getting wild. Now, nevertheless, you know, I like to start off with that young DX wire. So I'm about to go ahead and put that on right now. Let's go ahead and present that that young DXY. Somebody said Forrest got me money in Alaska. Yeah, hey, that's lit, man. Run it up in Alaska, man. Charlotte, Nigeria, South Africa. Run it up, man. South Africa. Hey, man, who remembers the oh shit, it's on this side. Who remembers the OG Forex hoodies though? You know what I mean? Who remembers them OG Forex hoodies? You know what I'm saying? Who remember the OG joints? The OG joints. We going up. But let's get it. South Africa, shout out to South Africa. Hey, yo, the South Africans really the South Africans be tapped into this Forex thing on an entirely different level. You know what I mean? All right, let's load up that 30. Oh yeah, I gotta present it. That's right. Let's load up that US 30. Run it up then. Yeah. You know the vibes. Let's go ahead and get it popping. Make sure y'all smack that like button too. Make sure you smack that like button as well. All right, so all right, there we go. I gotta refresh real quick. And then we about to be up in this joint. But yeah, so let me know though. He said, "What up, Ty? Let's run it up this week." Yeah, definitely. You already know the vibes, man. We definitely gonna have a great time this week. I think it's only doing that when I go to share window. I don't know. Well, that should have load when it loads. But let's get it, man. Hey, yo, let me know in the chat right now, though. Let me know what's your favorite thing to trade. You got GU, we got GJ, we got gold, US 30, NAS. Hold on, I gotta slide it over here. Okay, there it goes. It's doing this thing. Got NAS. Hold on, I'm running up the comments right now. You said Brooklyn. Oh, Brooklyn in the house. Yo, shout out to Brooklyn too, y'all. Shout out to Brooklyn too. All right, so let me close this screen down and then bring it back up real quick, y'all. 1 second. Oil. Oh, y'all be on oil. Okay. Run it up then. Run it up then. That's how you should do it. That's how you should do it. Now the oil traders, hey, if y'all really doing it for real, then y'all making some serious loot, you know. But that's if you're doing it for real. If not, then you know it's kind of slow. I'm gonna pull up that young dirty 30 real quick. All right, pulling up the 4 chart now. It's loading. Price at 32 352 currently. Let me know how you guys feel that the market's gonna be before I pull it up. Do you feel like we're gonna be bearish this week, bullish this week? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. All right, see on supercharge. There we go. I guess Trading View got his own little update system now, but it's loading right now. So we're about to get cracking in a second. I actually like the way this looks. All right, here we go. Let's slide it over here. All right. Now let's go ahead and share my screen, and we about to be green bean, baby. We about to be green bean, baby. Hold on. You love my motivation videos? Hey man, thank you. Appreciate you guys for, you know, tapping in for real and just picking up the game and the knowledge, you know, picking up the game and the knowledge. All right, so let's get it. Okay, so now as we look at US 30 on the daily chart, and now this is gonna be quick, you know what I mean? It's gonna be quick. We actually been building. I don't know if you've been paying attention to what me and my team have been doing, but we've been on this future of Forex thing like crazy. You know, it's actually my favorite series right now. So if you haven't checked out the episodes, make sure you check them out. But you know, on Friday, what I see is there's a nice pin bar. You know, there's a nice pin bar. We spoke about price being a consolidation for the entire week of last week. I thought we were going to end up getting a breakout to the downside. We didn't get any breakout to the downside. All we did was stay in consolidation, and we didn't break out. But right now, what looks really, really dope about the marketplace, right? And even though this candlestick has just started, I can only go off the pin bars, and I can only go off this support right here. So I'm about to break this down. So I'm going to clear this bottom piece right here of my charts, which is this support, right? So give me 1 second. All right, there we go. Let's clear the support, baby. Clear the support. And then I'm just gonna read what the market is telling me. Super simple. So that's when understanding Japanese candlesticks comes into play. So, you know, if you need help reading your candlesticks, then definitely this week, look out for Future of Forex 8. We're dropping Thursday at 9 p.m., kind of like Adult Swim, you know. So I mean Thursday at 8 p.m. My bad. So 8 p.m. California time, 11 p.m. Eastern. What is that? 10 p.m. Central. Central's in the middle, yeah. Central. I think that is like Cartoon Network. That's how it was. Yeah. You already know the vibes. So yeah, it's 9 p.m. or 8 p.m. Yeah, you know the vibes. Let's get it. That shit gonna be lit, man. That's that nighttime. You know, the nighttime shows be booming, y'all. You feel me? So make sure y'all tune in, man. You know, so make sure you definitely tune in, man. For real, we're gonna be booming. Let me go ahead and take this resistance off here. I could leave it, you know, I could leave it as in terms of, you know, maybe just today and tomorrow we'll come up and retest like 32.4, 32.5. And you may be able to grab some buys at like 32.1. That'd be a fire ass place. Who knows if we're going to come all the way down to 32.1, but it's US 30 and today's Sunday. So usually the market, when it first starts and it first opens up, it's going to do a lot of fake outs, a lot of consolidation. So really at 3 o'clock California time, I wouldn't be trying to move and jump in the market. I will let it give you direction and then move. All right. But yeah, definitely get them likes. But like I said, I like to do this for real, for real. I got Forex tatted on my face. I'm really embedded in the game for real, y'all. So, you know, when you want to listen to somebody who's passionate, I could talk about this shit all day. But today ain't gonna be that day. You feel me? So we got price bouncing off the bottom of support, you know, a bunch of volume down here. I like this wick right here. This is a really nice wick. It's actually called a kangaroo tail. So if you guys know anything about like kangaroo tails or anything like that, definitely I would go and check out what a kangaroo tail is. And next to this kangaroo tail, you had just a nice little doji. And then starting off the week, we have this. So you know how one way you can read it is you got price banking against support. price gathering that support or price gathering at a low price and the market rejecting a low price. So as the market is basically rejecting 31, saying, hey, I don't know if we're going to get lower than this right now. It keeps teetering and testing it because once again, this is the daily, right? Every single candlestick here is one day. So, on Friday, March 10th, the day didn't really break. It stayed right in the range of, what is this, 31.8 and 32.3. All right. The next day, when the market opened back up, Monday the 13th, it did the same thing. And from Monday the 13th all the way until 10 days, we've been in consolidation between two prices in 10 days. All right. So here we are with Friday ending that support. Okay. And you're looking at like, okay, could price break out of here? So we do need a fire ass break. We need price to crack this 32.4, potentially 32.6 area. And that's going to give us a real, like, all right, we might be on track to, to continue going up for the year. It's only March. And, even though people are saying, oh, the market is dying, look, man, with artificial intelligence pushing, with a lot of different companies brewing, I don't feel like the economy is necessarily slowing down. I feel like the economy is speeding up. And as human beings, we need to catch up to where the marketplace is going. So I do feel like for the year we're gonna have a bullish year. For right now, yeah, we are chilling at a high. I think this is a high, nice low resistance area. All right. And we do need to break out at this point. So maybe some sales will come out of here just because around this price, a lot of people are, start selling. So if I do start buying, I do want to start getting in at like 32.1. That'd be like a fire air, or even like what, 32.050. Get some buy limits down there. If I got to go ahead and run this shit in a breakout, then I'll go ahead and enter maybe like 32.492, or I'll go in at a smaller time frame and scalp me some entries and things like that. But ultimately, I don't try to move on Sunday. I like to get in the market sometimes, early Monday. I like things to be moving around already, because what I'm looking for is about, 100 to 300 points, and then I'm out of there. All right. But, everybody has their different styles and ways that they trade, but I'm a breakout trader. If I'm looking to trade long term or grab like a long term position, then I definitely will fuck with the stock market, because, that's necessarily swing trading. You know what I mean? Let's get it. Let's get it, baby. But now let's go ahead and check this young NASDAQ real quick. All right. Oh yeah, I like the way that's looking. So I thought that, we're gonna come down to about, what was this, 200 points from like a week or two ago. So it was at like 12.6. I thought we were gonna come down to like 12. What is this? 12.350. We got to 12.405. That's this wick right here. Let me go ahead and delete this. So it didn't give us a full all the way down. It kind of gave us a retest. So the retest did come, but it didn't stay. All right. And I'll delete everything on here too, just to clear it up. But I'll let you know the retest came. We didn't get all the way. Usually it gets to like the B, or in or around B, when you do these type of Gartleys and things like that, these type of patterns. And yeah, at the top, let's see, we got price breaking above resistance. All right. So looking to buy NAS. There's a kangaroo tail on Friday as well. We got like 2 kangaroo tails on Friday. So if you know anything about SNR, support and resistance, right? Real quick. I'm gonna teach you guys, and then I'm gonna just blow through this thing, because I'm not about to be here chilling all day. You know what I mean? Like, I was chopping it up with the team, and we're about to be in the streets going up. You know what I mean? We got a lot of dope projects that we're about to be working on. So, hopefully you guys are able to be involved and just to come rock with us. You know what I mean? But like I said, we're doing a lot online, but where you can find us is out in the community. And definitely come tap in with the Trade Game team. Come tap in and let's make history. You feel me? All right, so NASDAQ buys. I'm looking to grab buys at like 12.6. Once again, always play the retest. You feel me? So sometimes I got to play breakouts and wait for it to, push out of the top. But for me, I like to play like break and retest. That's really my game right there. So I don't like to pick tops. I like for it to come down, get a low price. I wait for my little breakout patterns and things like that, which is basically price sitting in consolidation, and then it breaks top side or bottom side, and I go with it. But that's basically what we're looking for here. So I wouldn't take buys here into like 12.674. If you got to, run some buy stops past, this current limit, then like 12.900. that'll be like solid. But then there's like candlestick wicks up there, so that's pretty high. So I'm like, hold on, I'd rather take a low buy than a high buy. You know what I mean? But if you go to smaller time frames, definitely you can go to the 5 minute and you can play the scalping game. And you can get some low buys. You might be able to crack some low buys at like what is this 12,850. I would throw some tight stops just because once again that's a high buy. So I'm definitely waiting for the market to come down a little bit before I start moving, which is why Sunday, I don't feel like Sundays are the best days that you should trade. But if you get in a little bit later, I'm not saying towards London session, but right now it's like maybe 3 or 4 in Cali, 3 or 4 in LA right now. You know what I mean? So I would say like 7 to 10 o'clock. That's like a fire low time where you can start looking at the market. If you can find opportunities, dope. But that's still, for the trade heads. And trade heads be trying to, y'all trade heads be trying to move, and fiends be trying to move early on. You know what I mean? So that's definitely the vibe, But let me know. I see Tampa Bay, Florida in this joint. Somebody said Bulls, baby. Let's get them likes up. Let's definitely get the likes up. You said we're riding the Bulls and the Bears. Definitely let's keep riding the Bulls and the Bears. Let me know what brokers you guys are using. Let me know what brokers you're using in the chat. Let's talk brokerages as well, man. Let me know what brokers you're using in the chat. The trading industry is definitely, moving in a different direction. So I just want to know what you guys are tapped in with. I always like to speak with the community. You know what I mean? Let's get it. All right, so I'm about to slide the SPX5 right now. Oh yeah, same type of structure. Easy call. I thought we were going to end up pulling. We didn't even really pull. We just sat there. All right, so here we are this week. We got the same structure on three different indexes, and that's what I was speaking about when I was talking about like correlations and things like that. I would be like, yo, you guys should be checking out correlations. And even in our last video of FOF7, Future of Forex 7, Donald Trump came out and he started speaking about correlations. You feel me? He was like, trade GBP USD and Euro USD and look at the DXY. That shit was pretty dope. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's get it. But let's get it. So here we are. I do feel like we're gonna be bullish for the week, right? SPX5. I do feel like, what is this? 4,058. I do think we're gonna go ahead and crack that and get up a little bit higher. I don't know what news we have for the week just yet, but here's a good right here. Yeah, about 4,075. So we'll be sitting around 4,075, or we'll be sitting around 4,157 in the next few days. So I give it like, I get that shit like 5 market days. You know what I'm saying? Maybe 5-10 market days, and we should be sitting up in this area. That'll go ahead and complete that pattern out. That's like 100 points, about 100, 200 points from here on the SPY. So if I were you, I would be looking for, I'd be looking for positions to start pushing topside with this thing, because it will start moving. All right. Although, I don't, like I said, I don't want to go ahead and play the high buy. I want to look for the low buy. So I'll be trying to get in around like 39.64. That's like 30 points down, maybe give or take. We let Sunday give us some bearish reversal Sunday. Monday morning we're able to get in and start rocking with the bulls once again. I'm letting you know how I'm playing it. So that's what I'm looking to do during this week. If you guys had the same outlook on how you maneuver and look at the game, that's cool. You know what I mean? But that's how I run it. So that's 30 NAS SPY. We about to slide to GBPUSD real quick. That's that one. I'm gonna take some questions after Euro USD, because I'm not gonna do them at the end of the day. You feel me? We going, like I said, we chopping up the team. We in here. We got shit moving right now. And then plus we got this Future of Forex series cracking. Like, nigga, that shit popping. So y'all better recognize that is the future of Forex. You know what I mean? Think about it. It's extremely marketable. You know what I mean? Don't trip. We got a plan, man. We got a plan. All right. So pound dollar. So this was what, I don't know if this was last week when I marked this up or when the last time I was here, but I said we were getting up to about this 23. We got up to the 23. That was because the dollar dropped. All right. So that's the reason why the pound went up. Basically just playing SNR, support and resistance. You see the morning star at the bottom. This shit is simple math at the end of the day. You know what I mean? Run all the Forex on Sundays back and you'll see what's up. So here we are at the top of this week. basically chilling in the resistance area. Now, if it's correct and we keep playing SNR, what I feel like is going to happen this week, if the dollar does start to drop, we're going to look at the dollar. We're going to look at the dollar. So if we get dollar pushed downside, then we'll come back up to about this 123, potentially 124 area. All right, that's if the dollar is showing weaknesses this week. So when we look at the dollar, we see any weaknesses, you can expect pound dollar to get up to about that 123, 124 area. If we see any signs of dollar bulls, guaranteed this bitch is about to drop. It's going to play the SNR that it's been in since, hold on, let's run it back, since November 22. All right now we're in March 2023. This is November 2022. So this is the range. 124 people start selling, 123, 124 people start selling, 119 people start buying. All right, so here we are around this 123, 124. Are we going to be on the same type of vibe where people are doing the same shit and start pushing to the downside? We're going to go look at the dollar and we will see. All right, but we've been in the range. It's a daily range, it's a weekly range. So each candlestick here represents one day. You feel me? You feel me? Nah, shit. You feel me? Nigga, it's stocks. Shit. You feel me? Yeah, hold on. Hey, here. On me, nigga was upset the whole time. All right, hold on. This your USD. Oh, we already start peeling to the downside. All right, so yeah, we're gonna be here. Tell him pull up. See if y'all get cool with me, you get the access too. Y'all can pull up. You feel me? All I'm doing is marking up SNR right now, y'all. So you see me pulling from right here. All right, the reason is just you look left. Thank you. You look left and you trade right. Okay. So here we are. About to go ahead and throw this little rectangle because that's what TradingView calls it, right? All right, for sure. I'm just making sure because people be trying to name it the rectangle box of doom. Like, nigga, that shit's a rectangle. And I ain't about to argue with nobody. You feel me? Until TradingView call it different, that's what I'm gonna call it. So we put a rectangle there and a rectangle there. But nah, basically what it symbolizes is support and resistance. All right. So all I did was take a bunch of points that were tapping against each other, got me some support. Here's some solid support on the daily. Here's some solid resistance. All right. So we got price coming out of here. Now, what I'm gonna do, right, is I'm gonna check this against the dollar just to see what's going on and get it cracking. All right. So let's go ahead and slide that there. Wang. Yo, appreciate that, Desmond. Yo, Marcus Williams, what's good with you, man? Yeah, you see this DXY right here, man. We already got that thing pulled up. All right, so I don't remember the last time I marked this shit up. But what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and clear the charts over here. All right, let's clear this DXY real quick. Let's get a nice markup. This is what I see popping right here. I do see a morning star. I ain't gonna lie. So it looks like if the dollar starts to rise this week, then it's just gonna play exactly what it's been doing. And we could see euro dropping, we could see pound dollar dropping. You feel me? We could see NZD USD dropping. Okay. So I do feel like if the dollar is going to rise, then that's what it is. I see a morning star there. Morning stars usually signal a sign of reversal. Now, if you know anything about understanding Japanese candlesticks, that's what it is. It's usually a bullish reversal sign. It's a bullish reversal pattern. So could this be a potential reversal right here? Who knows? So now what we're going to do is take this and just look left. All right. Now, as I look left, I see more support over here to the left too. So not only is this a morning star, but when I look left, it's bouncing heavy off of this 102 zone. It's a strong 102 zone. So it's just giving us even more support. You get what I'm saying? So it's just strengthening the analysis that you already have. So what I'm currently doing is I am reading price action. All right. And you're seeing inversion right next to each other as the dollar is currently falling, right? So let me take this and move this out the way so you can see. You see that red on the dollar? It's like the candlestick's printing red. As that's currently falling, this is literally the opposite that's happening, which is the inversion. So, trading is super simple. Even if you just had these two charts up and played the opposite, you would eat. But I mean, who am I, man? Get the book. Get the book. Master your discipline, man, and make trading simple. You will get confused out here when you start listening to every other source, man. This shit is supposed to confuse you, you know. Throw a billion and one indicators on there, you know what I mean? Confuse you with a bunch of words and a bunch of language that you don't understand. But the whole goal is to keep things simple, like ABC. We all understand that, right? Cool. We're gonna be speaking trading soon. Don't trip. We moving into AI. Hey, what else are humans gonna do when the robots can come and take multiple jobs? Niggas gonna be like, I gotta find something else. Yes, you have to find something else. It is what it is, man. Evolution, baby. Get with it. All right. So look, so we went over DXY, we went over pound dollar USD, we went over US 30, we went over NASDAQ, we went over SPX5. Boy, we going over and we about to go over gold, and you already know. Let's get it. Let's get it. So let's get over here, man. Go real quick. And shit. I'm gonna take some questions and I'm gonna wrap it up. You know, you like them Forex skits I make? Hey man, thank you. We work extremely hard on those. Extremely hard. If you guys like graphics and things like that, if you're a business or a brand and you like graphics and you actually like that type of work and things like that, now that's really, really intricate work. And if you give us more time, we can go even higher quality. You know what I mean? But come work with the brand outside of the Forex and stuff like that. You see, we're really passionate about creating things, and we would love to create something for you. Straight up, come tap in, baby. You got to have a budget though, because I can't work for free. I got to feed myself because I get hungry. You know what I'm saying? And then the team and people around me, they got to eat too. So you taking care of us so we can make sure that you have a dope ass product. You feel me? Got you. Let's get it though, man. As we go to gold, I had to do the sales pitch. You know, I had to do sales pitch in there. I had to do a sales pitch. Show the services we got to offer. Nah, because we really lit, man. We got a lot of work in this industry. So y'all for sure should come tap in with us. We the ones. He said Trey Gang has evolved. Yeah, we definitely have. Hey man, let's get the Discord running too. Let's get you guys who are here right now in the Discord as well. All right. Who got the Discord link? Let's get the Discord link cracking. Who got the Discord link? You said 101.95 was the low. Yeah, we round that up. That's about 102. That's solid. That's solid. At least we on the same path. Hey, look, if the dollar popped this week, I see a double top peaking on top of gold. It looks like a double top, looks like it was on top of gold. We're gonna go ahead and zoom in on gold and check that out in a little bit. All right, let's go ahead and do this one sheet real quick. One sheeter. Oh man, nah, pull up the gold, P. Pull up the gold. What's my thoughts on GJ? We might check out GJ. You know, I do one from the audience. Y'all need to come see me live though, man. That's the whole goal. You definitely want to come tap in person, vibe in person, rock in person, get some of this real energy. I feel like you can really tap in and change your life when you get around the real energy. That's what it takes. Y'all probably be like, he's so hyper. What does he do? I do whatever I put my mind to, and I believe you guys should too. Seriously, everybody tries to put a cap or a limit on how far you can go. You know what I say? Fuck them. Straight up. But nah. All right, so here's gold. All right, now we already looked at the dollar. We already checked out the dollar, looking at looking at the dollar, and it was like not an evening, but a morning star on a dollar, right? Now, a morning star, we spoke about it, symbolizing that there is a possible reversal happening, or it could be a possible bullish pattern happening, right? Now, check it. Here we are looking at gold, which is, when a dollar usually drops, this thing goes up. And when the dollar usually rises, and then gold does what? It starts falling down. So if we do get some power on this particular correlation, then yeah, we should see gold ended up dropping if the dollar ends up popping. You feel me? And like I said, we spoke about this double top that's peaking. It hasn't formed just yet, but it's right here. You feel me? Like everything's banked off this 19 almost 2000 area, and we're gonna take that high price. Like, see, I like to round things up. Right now it's like 1974, so in my mind I'll round it up to like bam 2000. Like, all right, gold is around $2,000. Do you want to sell gold in or around 2000? Yes or no? And then you find a position, and then bam, get popping. You get what I'm saying? So you got to be smart, with how you attack your food. You can hunt whales, it just got to have a strategy. I like eating whales. Y'all niggas just, what? First, we got to be like, all right, hold on, wait. You can't just go in like that. You can't just go in like that. You get what I'm saying? You got to find a strategy, then you attack. It's easy. Let's get it. You say you're gonna sign in? Yeah. Definitely tap in. Tap into the Discord. We just posted the Discord up right there. So you guys tap in to the Discord. Let's get cracking for real, for real. All right. So that's gold. Hey, we've been running through the stocks today, huh? Shit. Hey, see, came in here on fire. We got gold done, SPX done. Let's do one of the audience joints real quick. Then let's get one of the audience ones. So hey man, let's get one of the audience shits real quick because we've been flying through this shit. That's Australian dollar, bro. Hey, if the dollar pop, bro, if the dollar going up, Aussie dollar look just like GU, just like what's the other one? Fucking Euro USD, just like New Zealand dollar USD, bro. It's correlation. So you could trade one or trade them all the same way, straight up, bro. I told you, man, this Forex thing simple. Get the book. Hey, I remind me of one of them salesmen back in the 90s. Get the book. He said, I got chains, I got gold, I got what else you need, man? What else we selling in here, man? What else we selling? Shit, we already sold the hold on, what else we selling? Shit, got the services, man. Who need we got voiceovers? We got the voiceovers, baby. What you need, man? What you need, man? The Discord, yeah. Hey, definitely tap into the Discord. So the environment is different than Discord. I was in there. I checked a little bit, before I was on the way over here. I was scrolling through reading, like, oh shit, I is active. I ain't been in there like 2 weeks because I've been busy, man. I do future Forex full time. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it is. Wake up, trade future Forex. Future Forex literally requires everything of me. That's martial arts, dance, creation. We create, baby. We at our highest peak. So come tap in with us. Let's keep on growing. You feel me? You said, did I give up on gaming streaming? Oh no, I got another channel that I'm about to start building for that. So the thing is, I just wanted to break everything down. I didn't want all the channels to be in one place, you know what I mean? And plus, YouTube is a big place. So Tyillionaire, I'm a big brand. I'm not just a foreign exchange brand. Somebody in the foreign exchange, I got a lot of stuff going on. So that's why, even on this Henko thing, you see the Henko stuff. We got the book stuff. So I feel like outside of investing, you should be investing in yourself, investing in your brand, investing in, in you. That's how to do it. Now, let's what else I was gonna hop on next? One of the people things. So y'all show me something that y'all wanted to, you said GA. Somebody said GA. Now I don't really look at GA, but I'll pull up GA for shits and giggles and see what's cracking over here. That's not a pair that I personally trade. Okay. But I can give you a nice little markup on it just because at the end of the day, if you can trade one thing, you can trade anything. So, let me give you a piece on that as well. If you can trade one thing, you can trade anything. Often too many people, they feel like their knowledge will not translate. And it confuses me. Why won't your knowledge translate? If you're good at trading, the thing is you have a trading style and a trading strategy that should be applicable to all markets. You can trade gold with the same concept and same strategies that you trade currencies with, the same concepts and same strategies that you trade indexes with. You get what I mean? So I don't know why you feel like, oh, I got to change it over here. Okay, well, the moment you change it is the moment you lose. You feel me? Go with what wins, man. Go with what wins. All right, here we go. And that's your boy Ty. So go with me. I win. Go with me. Yo, pound Aussie been busted, nigga. So hey, I feel like it could potentially be at the top of its trend. It's just been moving. Let's look left though. Let's look left. Because that bitch could keep moving. It doesn't have no resistance. It's popping off right now. And see, I like to scroll back. You see, I mean, you're watching me work, man. Y'all watching me work. I don't have to tell you, show you. I have to talk about it. I could be about it. Damn. Shit, pound Aussie could keep going, bro. I look back, what? 2022? We got to check this shit from the weekly. 183. I feel like 183, 175 could be a good potential buy if that shit don't keep floating up. You know what I mean? But this is in a fire ass uptrend right now. Excuse me. I'm looking left. I don't see any action to the left hand side for like the past year, which is any price action, anything it can bank off of. So, usually I always look at places where price can stop. It's like a video game. As long as it's going up, we looking left, we don't see nothing. So it could potentially keep going up. All right. That shit moving. That shit moving until we get something, until we get a place or consolidation that can retest that. But once again, I don't like pulling off. buys at highs. If I got to catch breakouts and stuff, you do that off the 5 minute pattern, off the 5 minute time frame. You feel me? And it's times that you do it. You know what I mean? So yeah, get a cracker like that. But that's that, man. Hey, let's get these questions popping. We've been on here like 34, 35 minutes. I'm about to slide soon. You know the vibe. Give me some questions. Hey, where y'all personality at? Where y'all we gonna turn this Forex market up or what, man? Because that's what I'm saying. Like, we need some vibes here. The music, all of that, we about to get cracking. You know what I mean? They know, hey, they know stocks is born. They know stocks is born. Shit, they know I'm adding flavor to this market that didn't have no seasoning. We added that walk to that bitch. I came in there like, let me taste this shit. Yeah. Huh? Uncle T? Oh, bro's supposed to pull up. He probably gonna pull up for now. Yeah. I don't even know. Break down what FRC is. I don't know what FRC is. Maybe that's some shit. I don't know. I guess that's a new topic. If I don't know it, they're gonna be on my head, but I don't care. Something I don't know about. Shit. Oh, psychology? Straight up. Let me help you get your mind right. Let me help you get your mind right. Straight up. So look, if you want to take your mind and your game to the next level, get the book. No, I'm fucking with you. But nah, for real, this how you do it. So life is about discipline. All right. For real, life is about discipline. um I often say how you do one thing is how you do everything, but you got to demand greatness out of your situation. And no matter how things look, it's about keeping the faith. You feel me? I know you like, how does that relate to the market? Because this is a journey. You're not going to get rich overnight. You're not going to be consistent overnight. And before you even get to that consistent point, oh, yeah, that boat going to be rocking, rocking. Ocean just going, ocean just going. And if you can make it through the ocean, right? If you can get through the storm, get to the other side, then guess what? Boom. Feel me? So you're gonna be able to eat. The thing is, sometimes you might even get a taste of fish, right? You might even get a taste of a good fish. What's that good catfish? Is cooked well. Your first fish might be a big fish. It might be great, right? And that's just a taste. The thing is, it takes a lot to be consistent. And consistency is not just gonna start on the charts, but it's gonna start right here because you're gonna have to wake up and do that shit every single day. Whether you love it or whether you're not. Some days you're gonna wake up like, I feel like doing this shit. Consistency. You feel me? Let's get some other questions popping though. Oh yeah, yo, should we drop these? Should we drop these? Like, I used to have the prototypes up. I think I sold like maybe 5 or 10 of these. You feel me? Prototype joints. I ain't really, keep them going. But let me know in the chat if I should drop the trader die joints. You know what I mean? We got the trade gang on the front, the little trader guy. You know what I'm saying? Just let me know. Shit. Oh, definitely. Dirty 30. You already know. You already know. Yeah, the dirty bird, baby. Let's get it. Please elaborate on psychology. Damn, y'all think I'm Dr. Phil? Hey, nah, but soon I was telling them I might be Dr. Moore. Yeah. Hey, but now that's a crazy title. Imagine me like Dr. Moore. Like, what? You feel me? You feel me? No, they're not ready for that. They're not ready for that. But psychology tips. You feel me? But nah, look, because yeah, we be vibing. But look, psychology. I like the way that we were laughing when we were vibing. I think laughter is a great part of life. And, a big tip of this whole thing, even though it's a very serious thing, is to have fun. The hardest part of this thing, during your journey when you may be losing, is to have fun and see the beauty in it. But see the beauty in the lesson of gardening. Sometimes you're not going to it's not going to be perfect. It's just not. See the beauty in the lesson of experimenting. Sometimes you're going to make mistakes and you got to just make them shits. You know what I mean? Get through it. Boom. Okay. Yeah, I stepped over that. But guess what? When you come back and you see it again, you're going to be like, nah, I already know. It's a hole right there. I mean, yeah. You feel me? Easy. Straight up. One more. Huh? Oh, the drip hard. They fucking with the drip. Oh man, make sure y'all get the merch. You gotta get the merch. You gotta get the merch. Make sure they get the merch. TradeGame.com. You know the vibes. Let's get it. I'm taking one more question. That's it. I'm taking one more question. Straight up, you know the vibes. Hey, who got the loudest kush though? Who's smoking the loudest pack though? Who's smoking the loudest? Who got the gas? Hey, who got the pack? Let's really talk about it. Nah, they really don't. If you ain't in Cali, I know. What's up? What you say? Hey man, y'all gotta get y'all vibe right. Let's turn up in this bitch. Come on. How do I keep myself composed in a ranged market? Easy. So once again, SNR, I show you guys on the daily all the time. I go to the daily and what do? I'm like, okay, this is where we're at, and this is where we're gonna be at, at the end of the week. So if that's my plan on Sunday, I just trade my plan. I'm like, hey, we're high right now. Let's see if we're gonna drop down. And I start writing that shit. Let's see if we're gonna go up. And I start writing to the top side. So, shit, I guess it's over time. The more you do something, the more comfortable you become at it. So put in the work. Even though I would say read the book, at the end of the day, this shit is only gonna be a guide. You still gotta put in the work. You can't skip over it like, okay, the book helped me. It's all you can do is help me. It's all it can do is help. But man, it's your boy Ty. You already know I'm about to slide. Appreciate you guys for tapping in, man. I would definitely want you to what's up? I got another question. Okay. What's good? I already told him. Yeah. Forex on Sundays, we in the streets though. I already told him. Oh yeah, don't expect the lives on Sunday. Oh yeah, don't expect the lives on Sunday because we in the streets. In the streets, you can find us in the streets. Oh yeah. If you're in Cali or around that Cali area, tap in with me because we in the streets. You feel me? So you can catch us outside. Like I said, I need to bring it out. I fuck with the studio vibe. My team, we gotta be out, bro. I'm one of them niggas. Like I like to be outside. Feel me? So we're gonna be out actively. You know what I mean? And some days maybe we might even shut down the mall or something like that. Shut down the mall. They be like, Tyler, yeah, because you gonna have the vibes going, the music going, the books going, the shows going, the team lit, nigga, and the merch popping. But nah, let's get it. Make sure y'all go grab y'all popcorn. Future of Forex 8 coming out this Thursday, 8 p.m. Pacific time. And I'm gonna see y'all. And it's your boy Ty.